This video is in collaboration with Ana Luisa. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new bullet journal video on my channel. It's been a while, but I'm back with a flip through of my 2021 bullet journal. As you can see, it is completely filled. It is so thick because I use a lot of collage and paper and stickers and washi tape and stuff. So this is going to be a really fun video if you want to see what I made this year and how it all looks filled in. I think there is something magical about it. So yeah, let's do it. Also, this video is kindly sponsored by Ana Luisa, which is my favorite jewelry brand. I'm so grateful that they want to work with me again. All the pieces that I'm wearing are from Ana Luisa, except for my wedding band and stuff. I love their brand. I love what they stand for. They are carbon neutral. That is so important to me. And of course, the jewelry looks great. I love the designs. You can stack the necklaces, you can mix and match. I love that about their items. Every time I get a package from Ana Luisa, I'm so happy and it really makes my day. I love the new earrings that I got, and this green necklace is also so beautiful. This one I already had, and this one with mama on it because I'm pregnant and I thought it would be very fitting. Right now they have a great sale going on, so if you buy one piece, the second piece will be 60% off. So that is a great deal if you want to buy anything for yourself or for a loved one, something for the holidays maybe, then this is your chance. You can use the link in my description box, and yeah, that would really help me. And yeah, I think you will love the pieces as much as I do. I mostly wear only Ana Luisa jewelry, and yeah, I just love them. So thank you, Ana Luisa, again for collaborating with me. And now let's head into the flip through. The first thing you see is my key, and over here you see a picture of when my husband and I got engaged. Then we have the future log, the calendar overview of the year. And I made two sections, so one personal and one for work. So yeah, that's easier for me to keep track of everything. And you can see right away where I got pregnant, because after that I didn't use my journal anymore. I used a Google Calendar on my phone because I didn't have a lot of appointments and I wasn't feeling well, so I couldn't keep track of my bullet journal. I'm gonna be honest, I kind of regret the goals that I made because they are pretty vague. Doing yoga once a week, I didn't do it every single week of the year, so I can't check it off, which annoys me a lot. Over here I have birthdays from friends and family. Then my movie log, I loved keeping track of this. So over here I have some of my favorite movies and TV shows that I watched. I just kept track of my favorites because I watch a lot of movies and TV shows, so couldn't keep track of all of them. Over here we have my grid cheat sheet and my cycle. So I kept track of my period and cramps, PMS symptoms, and when I had sex. And you can see where we were trying to get pregnant and when I got pregnant, because I stopped keeping track of my period because I'm pregnant and I don't get a period anymore. Then over here, I'm so sad I didn't fill everything in here, but I kept track of my highlights of each month. Again, I stopped keeping track. Maybe try to fill in some things here and there that I can still remember, because I think this is one of the the best things to look back upon when you pull out your journal 5 years from now, and you can see all the things that were great in your life. So yeah, I'm going to fill in some things here and there, like finding out I got pregnant and the gender of our baby and putting up the Christmas tree and stuff. Self-love affirmations. I didn't fill this in at all, but I think I did something similar in February. For January, I did a book theme. I love reading books, and I created a little quote right here and a cozy kind of at-home library section. I loved creating this. I think it's always so satisfying to see everything filled in, and you can see how my mood was and stuff. The idea behind this was kind of making library cards. Yeah, I think it looks really cute. For February, I did a self-love and self-care theme, I think. Yes. So here I wrote down all sweet things about myself. So kind of those self-love affirmations like I love you, you are enough, you deserve good things in life. And I made a little list with things I can do when I want to take care of myself, like sleeping in, do yoga, take a bath or a shower, and of course I used my self-care stickers. My monthly spread, habit and mood tracker. Here I kept it pretty simple, which is kind of nice. I like it. Then going on to my March spread. For this one I used my boho vibes sticker sheet, and I love this sticker sheet. I think it's so cute. And I made a little Dutch door with the appointments of the month, and on the back side I created my habit tracker and some goals. I think I totally forgot my mood tracker here, or I didn't want to track it, I guess. My little dog Izzy was a great inspiration for this sticker. You can find all the stickers that I mentioned in my Etsy shop if you want to buy anything and support my work. That would be really great. For April I did a pink kind of flower theme, I think. I don't know if there was really a theme or idea behind this one, but I loved it. I love the collage method that I used here with a quote and a little calendar overview. Again, a habit and mood tracker. I think this is one of my favorite setups because you can really see how my habits correlate with my mood. Yeah, I used a lot of plant stickers here and images from Pinterest, and I think this is the first time I made tabs as well, and look how cute it is. I love it so much. A little Easter collage. Then going on to May, and we're kind of keeping that same style here, I see, with plants and boho stickers, washi tape. Oh, I love this. I love how the colors and the collage work together. my habit tracker, and here I kept a little gratitude journal I see, and I actually kept up with this one, so that's really cool. Often I start something like this and don't fill it in completely, but this time I did. Again, I use the boho stickers a lot. Here I see some book stickers from my shop as well. Love it. Oh, this was a fun theme as well. I created a sticker sheet inspired by the 70s, and I did this with basically Brit. If you haven't watched our collab video, I will link it. And yeah, this was kind of my 70s inspired setup for June. Again, that same habit and mood tracker. So some of these stickers are created by me and some of them are created by Brit. Like this cute van. Yeah, this was definitely a really good month. I love the collage and the pictures and the stickers. So cute. And again, I did that tab thing. I think it looks really cute with the collage borders as well. Then going on to July, I did a body positivity / confidence theme and created stickers for it as well. A list with my events, personal and work-wise. Ooh, I love how this looks. I can't even really remember making this. I think the colors look really cool together. Again, I didn't keep track of my mood throughout the month, as you can see here, but I love the way it looks. I kept it pretty minimal here, as you can see, with a little collage and just the days of the week. And for August, I did a vintage theme. I also really love this collage and the little stars here and there. Again, I didn't keep track of my mood and everything. I think did I already know that I was pregnant here? I'm not sure. I think so, because did I fill everything in? Not sure. But I did the tabs again. Love the little collages here and there. I didn't even finish all the weeklies. And then it was September. Now, I remember I did know I was pregnant here. Wasn't feeling too bad in the beginning, so I could still make this, but I didn't fill anything in, you guys. So sad, but it still looks cute, right? So this looks the same like you've seen in my video. Hey, wait, I skipped a page. I skipped the mood and habit tracker that I didn't use. Should I fill this in or not? Just keep it like this? What do you think? Yeah, I didn't even fill in the first weekly or made the other weeklies. And then I started feeling really sick. So I didn't make anything till November. I tried. I was thinking of an Anne with an E theme, and I created the cover page, loved it, but then I didn't feel well enough to continue. But I think it still looks cute and it was fun to make. So now we've come to the last month, December, which is the one we are in right now. And I started feeling better. I'm now 20 weeks pregnant. I didn't make a habit or mood tracker for this one because I know I wouldn't take the time to fill it in and stuff. So I just kept it really simple. I used some old, what's it called, wrapping paper from Dille and Camille, which is a Dutch store. I love how simple these spreads look. They were really easy to make. I tried to make everything a little bit more different each week. So I think it's really cute to see how everything fits well together, but still is a little bit different. And then that was it for the weekly spreads. Now, I don't know if you guys do this, but in the back I always have some secret pages. Here you can see me trying out some stickers that I created, the moving stickers and the school stationery stickers. I also kept my reading tracker in here. And as you can see, I used my own stickers here. I love rating them and yeah, writing them down and stuff. I actually have to add more because I'm trying to read 50 books this year. I'm now at my 44th book or something. So I guess I won't reach my goal, but it's fine. I think for me 50 books is a lot. Then one of my last pages is my kind of mood board for the year. So I choose a word each year that is kind of the center of my goals, if that makes sense. I wanted to read more, did that. I picked up yoga again, but then I got pregnant, and which is great, but I didn't pick up yoga again after that. I worked on my faith and creating a lovely home, doing things that I find scary. Actually, a lot of this came true, but this is kind of a mood inspiration board. And then last but not least, some stickers that I created for my Etsy shop as well, and just wanted to try them out and see the way they look. And that was it. So that was everything that I made in my bullet journal this year. I hope you liked seeing it. I think it's really cool to see what people make and how they fill in their planner, you know, their bullet journal. And also don't forget to go to the description bar for the Ana Luisa link if you want to order anything. Buy one, second piece, 60% off is a really good deal. So make sure to check that out. Give this video a thumbs up and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!